Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where magnet and specialty programs provide unique learning opportunities to prepare our students for success in a world of new possibilities. During American Education Week, Denby High School's Aviation Academy hosted students from Crittenden and Dozier Middle Schools. Students from the middle school's geometry classes saw firsthand how math completes the STEM equation for aeronautics. As the middle school students toured the Academy's facility at the Newport News Williamsburg International Airport, instructors, along with high school students at the Aviation Academy, presented multiple learning stations to illustrate how pilots, aircraft maintenance techs, and engineers use math every day to make ideas take flight. Students used angles and parallel lines to determine the glide slope of a landing aircraft. And they learned how the X and Y axes of coordinate methods translates to flying drones. They also utilized geometric shapes and symmetry to build paper airplanes. The Academy's wind tunnel, maintenance lab, and state-of-the-art flight simulators gave the middle school students visual and tangible experiences of how math is centric to the reality of flight and the construction of airplanes. By participating in these engaging hands-on activities at Aviation Academy, these middle school students realized some of the unique options available to them as they select which magnet program to apply for in high school. Students at Crittenden Middle School put their STEM knowledge to the test during the school's annual Engineering Project Week. As the Math, Science, and Technology Magnet School, Crittenden emphasized STEM application by tasking students with engineering challenges, which tied in with their grade-level science lessons. Organized by Crittenden's Science Department, students worked on the projects at home before testing their creations during a series of high-flying demonstrations. Sixth graders transformed plastic bottles into water rockets using a range of materials and an understanding of aerodynamics and physics. By pressurizing the container of water, students watched their rockets soar and timed their flights to see which designs worked best. Seventh grade science students used limited supplies to create the lightest device possible to protect their eggs from the impact of a free fall. For the egg drop, students had to consider all three of Newton's laws of motion while fighting the inescapable reality of gravity. And eighth graders combined the lessons learned during the past 2 years by building a water bottle rocket capable of protecting a raw egg as its payload. Through each trial, students witnessed science in action and also learned what they're capable of through hard work and creative learning. Students who attend the Governor's STEM Academy at Heritage High School increase their knowledge and skills in STEM education while preparing for relevant, high-paying careers.
Students in Newport News Public Schools who are interested in pursuing a career in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and math have the option to attend one of the country's top STEM-focused schools. At Heritage High School, success in the 21st century is well within reach through the Governor's STEM Academy. STEM is a forward-thinking process that thoroughly prepares students for the high-paying jobs that are abundantly available now and in the future. At Heritage High School's Governor's STEM Academy, students are immersed in STEM culture with hands-on activities, job shadowing and internship experiences, project-based courses, and the opportunity to gain industry certifications and advanced training in multiple career pathways. This multifaceted approach expands options for students, allowing them to further their education after high school or to transition smoothly to full-time employment. Students enrolled in Heritage's Governor's STEM Academy have access to a range of specialized courses in 3 career strands: engineering and robotics, networking and cybersecurity, and computer science and game design. These courses supplement the students' enrollment in English, math, science, social studies, physical education, and world languages. Students enrolled in engineering and robotics will focus on courses in electronics and engineering, while preparing for possible careers in aerospace, architectural, and chemical engineering. Students focused on networking and cybersecurity will be prepared for careers as a network administrator, cyber forensics analyst, IT specialist, or security software developer by taking advanced computer networking courses. And students pursuing careers in computer science and game design will complete honors courses in advanced programming and modeling and simulation to advance as a 3D animator, web designer, multimedia producer, or software engineer. Heritage High School Governor's STEM Academy moves beyond the basics by offering students even more learning options after school and through the summer months. Incoming freshmen can explore their future possibilities through the Stimulating Minds Summer Enrichment Program. Students in all grades can participate in cyber camps, FIRST Robotics, drone team competitions, and STEM-focused clubs and activities. Mentorships are provided on-site through Newport News Shipbuilding's Career Pathways, while off-site, internships and job shadowing offer real-world learning experiences. If you're interested in jumpstarting your future STEM career by attending Heritage High School Governor's STEM Academy, talk to your school counselor or contact Heritage High School.
You can find out more about the Magnet programs by visiting the Magnet and Specialty Programs webpage at nnschools.org. Magnet application links are now available, and the deadline for applying to a Magnet or Specialty program is Friday, January 4th. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In. And check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching.